people in America or people anywhere, when they are suffering, they want to blame a type of person. It's been done throughout history. This idea that's created that kind of blames a group, a particular social group or particular type of group, like immigrants, let's say, whether undocumented or documented, whether legal permanent residents or not. I think that idea has repeated itself multiple times, and it did against the Jewish population between World War I and World War II. And so I'm not saying that immigrants are being persecuted the same way that Jewish people were persecuted during World War II and following in Russia. What I'm saying is that oftentimes politicians will run on this type of nationalistic idealism that then in turn will affect anyone who's not part of that nationality, who's not part of the citizenry of that country. And so it's huge because, I think we've done it to minorities from the beginning of time. I think we've done it to minorities in the United States of America from the 1700s on. And it's weird because I feel like oftentimes there's a lot of people who are becoming hopeless. I come across families daily who are talking about self-deportation, talking about giving up. And it's weird because I've never heard that before, because most immigrant families and immigrants in this country are extremely resilient. And for them to just want to give up and move back home, even facing persecution because they feel unwanted. My client, Alireza Doroudi, is an Iranian national, and he is a doctorate in mechanical engineering. He is exactly what this country wants, right? Well, we've talked about as far as like from the political side of things. Oh, we want smart people. We want people who are scientists, who are bringing so much to this country. And that's the rhetoric of this conservative movement, of this anti-immigrant movement, which is what I believe. And so Alireza Doroudi is exactly what we wanted, and yet he became the scapegoat. He's a casualty of this nationalism, this war against the immigrant community. Just because he's from Iran, and I saw this rhetoric happen since I was younger in law school after September 11th from 2001 against the Middle Eastern community, and it's where like racism really is able to breathe, and it's like putting gas on a fire. I think what we as immigration attorneys, and really any attorney that's looking to uphold the Constitution and the criminal defense mechanism and civil rights mechanisms, what we're faced with is the struggle of having to fight against this now majority who believe in this scapegoat.